This is an applied problem. The Silvers Health Club generally charges a $79 membership fee and $42.50 a month. Elise has a coupon that will allow her to join the club for $299 for 6 months. How much will Elise save if she uses the coupon? Well, let's just take a minute to become familiar with the problem. We see that it's going to take more than one step. The first thing that we'll need to do is to find the cost of the membership without a coupon. We'll use the membership fee and the monthly fee to do this. And then we will find how much Elise would save if she did use the coupon. And in addition to talking through that part of the familiarize step, we need to assign a variable to the cost of membership without a coupon, and we'll let C equal that cost. Now the next step is to translate, and since this is going to take more than one step, we'll combine the translate and solve steps. And we will say that the membership fee plus the monthly cost times the number of months that cost is incurred is the total cost. So let's see what we have here. We know that the membership fee is $79. We have plus. The monthly cost is $42.50, and that's times the number of months, and the number of months that we're interested in is 6, translates to equals, and the total cost is what we're trying to find, and we've called that C. So to solve this equation, we carry out the calculation on the left-hand side. We have 79 plus 42.50 times 6 is 255, and that's equal to C. And when we add these two numbers on the left, we get 334. So C is equal to 334, and this is the cost of the membership if the coupon is not used. Now we need to find how much would be saved if the coupon were used, and let's let S equal this number. Let's let S equal the coupon savings. And we can write an equation to find this. We can say that the cost with the coupon plus the coupon savings is the cost without a coupon. The cost with a coupon is $299, we're told. That's what Elise would pay if she used the coupon. Plus, the coupon savings is what we're trying to find, and we've called that S. Translates to equals. And we just found that the cost without the coupon is $334. So we need to solve the equation 299 plus S equals 334. And we can do that by by subtracting 299 on both sides. When I subtract 299 on the left side, I'm left with S plus 0, or S. And subtracting 299 on the right side, we get 35. So it looks like Elise would save $35 on her membership if she used the coupon. The fourth step is to check this solution in the original problem. And we've done several computations here. Probably the best way to check this particular problem would just to go back and look over the calculations and make sure we didn't make any mistakes. And when we do that, we see that the answer does check. So we can go to the fifth and final step, stating the answer in a sentence, and we say Elise will save $35 if she uses the coupon.